What's up, y'all? Another dope pickup. This time I'm doing something a little different. It's my motorcycle helmet I just got. Just ordered, just came in today. It is the Icon Airflight Peacekeeper. The black with the gold visor. Let me try to open this, give y'all a good view. Didn't take too long to come in. About, I say, 5 days maybe. All right. Let's see what we got. Here we go. The box. In here you see it. Icon. Size large. Let me put this down real quick. All right, here we go, y'all. This is the Icon Peacekeeper. So excited for this. Just bought me a new Yamaha R. Candy apple red. With a little carbon fiber on it. So I had to get me a dope helmet. And so, got some graphics on the box. Come with a instruction manual. I don't know what that's for. To put on a helmet. Let's see what this is about. Air flight. Oh, they got the different visors for it. Okay. You know what? I just bought a visor too. Could have came and got it from here. It'd have been a little cheaper. But you see, they come with a little booklet with different visors for it. Cheek pads, comfort liners, air flight replacement parts. In case anything go wrong, you know where to look. They got the booklet to help you to replace your parts that's need. Now, without further ado, let's pull this baby out. Oh yeah. So these, I guess this is the top. Go on top of the helmet with the adhesive. I forgot what it's called, but I guess it's like part of the spoiler part. And this is the face shield. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. It comes with two different ones, or is this the gold? Okay, no, y'all, this is the gold one. Okay, I'm gonna just pull out everything. And this is another booklet on, guess, information in the manual about the helmet. We ain't tripping on that right now. Come in a cloth mesh bag. And here we go. Signature Icon wording, drawstring bag. All right, I'm doing this in one hand, y'all, so bear with me. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. Oh, I hope it fit. They did say it is snug. All right, so it's upside down. Now it's right side up. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's matte. It's a matte black, y'all. Matte black. It's got the rear spoiler. It's also matte black. It's got the clear shield on it right now. Of course, I'm about to change that and put the gold shield on it. So here you have it. The Icon Air Flight Peacekeeper. Yeah, I gotta change this gold. So bear with me. I'm just giving y'all a good look at it. It's got the air vents. I think these are air vents, or I'm not sure. I just seen the helmet, liked how it looked, and bought it. Let me see. Just gonna open it. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Hold on, y'all. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So here's the inside shades that drop down and they go back up. It's air vent. Okay. It's air vent here under the chin. And here's the snaps for the chin. Okay, come on, how you want to do this? Alright, so I got to go through the helmet, y'all, but I'm just giving you guys an overview of how it look. Air flight tags. Yeah, this is tight. It's cushioned real well. Yeah, I like this. Okay, y'all, so here's the open and close vent. Oh, it's for the shield. It's for the inside shield. Hold tight. Sorry, bad video, y'all. I'm new to this. I'll get better within time. But here we go. This is the side up and down switch for the shield, eyeglass shield. I probably won't be using that. I have my shades on anyway. So I did buy a wireless mic and everything. That's headset that's gonna go inside. It's gonna go through here. I'll make a video with that. But it's tight though. What y'all think? Tell me what y'all think. It's got the spoiler. I'm gonna put the gold shield, gold visor on. So I'm gonna take this off, put the gold visor on. But here we have it, the Air Flight. Tell me what you think. All right, I'm KDJ. Like and subscribe to me. And I'm gonna show you guys a whole lot more. So I done bought a whole lot of stuff. Ready to ride. Peace.